You're beating. What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? Why do you beat my employees? Muingire wama. Muingire. Why you just like my chair?
Kunyakala mugatukube kunyama.
Demuba owa boy.
Baza kuba kyalenga, baza kutulemesa. Tulina okwebereramu gavumenti nga yo gavumenti. Erega abantu bazino nakuba balina okusanyuka.
Kwena kubera kamu.
Sia.
Mubeere bakakamu naye nga we muli temuvaawo.
Mubeere bakakamu naye nga we muli mwana.
Baleke bakole ebyekiswavu byabwe bonna babimaleyo.
Ona kansala soko gambe kwa abasajja baleme kansala. John.
Aye government ye. Baja kuwa mulungi.
Eno business, tesobola kulinya mu business. Business.
Lwaki tebalinya? Bandirimye mu standard list. Nada teka mu senteze.
Kati bagalere petrol station. We're police officer. Are you going to feed my family? Are you going to feed my family? Why are you blocking my business? Do you know you're breaking the law? Do you know you're acting, you're committing a crime, you man?
You gentlemen, move.
Temugenda waboyi. Temugenda. Why are you blocking my business? What kind of criminality is this? Aren't you ashamed to put on our national flag while you're doing this? You cannot even look in my eyes, an officer of the law. You cannot look in my eyes. Challenge me. Am I committing a crime? Is this an offense? Challenge me. You are acting unconstitutionally, and this will stop. This is being recorded for your benefit.
Please, don't touch me. 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 Touch me now. Touch me. Touch me.
I'm coming to you.
Touch me.
Look at the police officer. You want violence. We don't belong in violence. I am reasoning you, police officer. Okay. I'm a citizen of Uganda, and I'm a member of parliament, and I'm reasoning you're contempting the parliament. Okay? You are disobeying, you're breaking the law. You're disobeying the parliament.
In uniform.
Okay? In uniform. These are criminals in uniform. Okay?
In uniform.
You are in uniform. You are abusing the uniform. Muswaza uniform. No! You are abusing the uniform. What's your problem? Officer, this is my place.
This is breaking the law.
I pay taxes for this place.